All right, round two, a little rail fanning here in St. Paul. Kind of memory of Hobo Shoestring, big YouTuber, right? Bought these Marlboro cowboy killers for $5 a pack. They were getting rid of them. The place was changing owners. Minneapolis now it's $15 a pack for heaters. Yeah, it's, I don't know how far this goes. I don't know how sturdy this would be for a train now. Probably built like a shipwreck house. Waiting for the Ford Ghost train, right? Call it the Etzel train, right? I don't really believe in ghosts, but you never know, right? So the last video, idiots in North Carolina thinking there was a ghost train. One found out the hard way. Got ran over. Really can't get down if you wanted to. You could, but long truck down. There's one bridge over there off of out there in Wisconsin and Minnesota border, south by Hastings. I want to go across. It's kind of cool, wooden bridge. I don't know what this is all about. Go up here and until a couple of them start some things on fire here. Come up here and do some drinking, smoking, geef. Don't see any dead bodies yet. Canadian Pacific runs down there. There's my dad's old yard before he died. That was his last yard, Chicago Northwestern. I don't know how far this thing goes, this bridge. You never know. Maybe a train will come along. I don't know. Who knows? Call it the Etzel train, right? There was that one guy on YouTube, Sidetrack Adventures, was out in the middle of the desert looking for a bridge. It took forever to get there, and he was too afraid to walk across it. I'm like, what the hell's wrong with you? You all that work to get there. You don't want to go across it. This isn't going anywhere, this track. I mean, I don't get that. You all work to get there. was on a reservation. He's really cool. Yeah, you gotta be careful. You don't want to be up here in high heels. You snap an ankle on here, you're done. You could be a homeless person up here, pitch a tent. How old this bridge is. Yep, there were all the cars out of Ford and in and out. Goes all the way back to 42nd, the old Mighty Mo. They made this into a light rail, but they're too arrogant and too ignorant to do anything like that in this town. Here it sits. It's a big ass bridge over there. I've drove across it a couple times. I take Shepherd Road in to the Wussy Wild. It's a back door, and I call it, in St. Paul. You guys see anything yet? Any trains or anything? Oh my goodness. Dun, 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 dun. You can tell they built this to last, carrying cars and everything else. Dug through the stone all the way from back there. Graffiti up here. There's kids that come up here probably and F off. Put these up on TikTok, they get some views. There's you can see some trains down there, the yard down here as we get closer. We do a lot of train hauling around St. Paul, Minneapolis, Canadian Pacific. They have a big yard off of 61, huge yard. Yeah, you gotta be careful. You can tell right down there some car carriers. I'll tell you all that stuff down there. I'm glad I went over here. I was gonna walk down there, but I'm like, I'm gonna see this bridge. Here to walk, and then start some stuff on fire here, which I'm not surprised. You gotta do that kind of crap and ruin it. But anyways, guys, look at this. I mean, Jesus Christ, they really had some fires up here. So, gotta be careful. So anyways, guys, we kind of made it to the end here. So, we'll see you down below, but hope you enjoyed the second one.